How to Connect Claude with Perplexity AI 2026 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you how to connect Claude AI with Perplexity AI in 2026 to create a seriously powerful research and writing workflow. These two tools complement each other incredibly well, and combining them will completely change how you work. Let's get into it. Why use them together first? Quickly, why would you want to connect these two tools? Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that is incredible at finding current real-time information from across the web with cited sources. Claude, on the other hand, is exceptional at reasoning, writing, analyzing, and working with complex information in depth. Together, they cover each other's strengths perfectly. Perplexity finds the information and Claude does the deep thinking with it. Method 1: Copy and paste workflow. The simplest and most accessible way to connect these two tools requires zero technical setup. Open Perplexity AI at Perplexity AI and search for whatever topic you are researching. Perplexity will pull together a well-sourced summary with references from across the web. Copy that response, open Claude at Claude AI, paste the Perplexity results in, and ask Claude to analyze, expand, rewrite, or build on the information. This two-step workflow takes seconds and gives you research backed by real-time sources with Claude's superior writing and reasoning on top. Method 2: Use Perplexity for research. Then Claude 4 output. Here is a more structured version of the same idea. Use Perplexity as your dedicated research phase tool. Ask it multiple questions, gather all the information you need, and compile the sources. Then switch to Claude for your output phase, writing reports, summarizing findings, drafting emails, creating presentations, or building any content from the research Perplexity gathered. Keeping the two phases separate makes your workflow cleaner and more efficient. Method 3: Claude with web search. Enabled. It is worth knowing that Claude itself now has a built-in web search feature available directly in Claude AI. When web search is enabled, Claude can pull real-time information from the web similar to what Perplexity does, and then immediately reason and write with that information in the same conversation. Toggle on the web search option in your Claude chat, and you get a combined experience without needing to switch between two tabs at all. Method 4: API integration for developers. If you are a developer and want to build a more automated connection between the two platforms, both Claude and Perplexity offer public APIs. You can build a workflow where Perplexity's API handles all search and retrieval tasks and passes the results directly to Claude's API for processing, summarizing, or generating output. This creates a fully automated research pipeline that runs without any manual copying and pasting between tools. Best use cases for this combination. Here are the best ways to actually use this combination. Use Perplexity to research current news or recent events, then Claude to write a full article or report. Use Perplexity to gather competitor information, then Claude to analyze and create a strategy. Use Perplexity to find academic sources, then Claude to help write your essay or paper using those sources as a foundation. And that is how you connect Claude with Perplexity AI in 2026. Whether you use the simple copy-paste method, a structured two-phase workflow, Claude's built-in web search, or a full API integration, these two tools working together give you a genuinely powerful AI research and writing setup. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.